Good day, everyone. Welcome to Emotions and Stories. Today's story is called The Blossoms of Love. In a picturesque village nestled at the foothills of Aravali, there lived a young girl called Aarti. She was a simple, kind hearted girl, known for a beautiful smile and grace. Her family was humble and they owned a small tea stall by the village's main road. Aarti spent her days helping her mother at the stall serving tea and snacks to the regular customers, farmers, workers, and travelers passing by. Aarti had always been content with her life. Though she dreamt of experiencing the world beyond her village, she was grounded by her love for her family and the simplicity of her life. But all of that changed one summer afternoon when a stranger arrived in the village. His name was Raghav, a young man from Delhi. He had come to the village to escape the hustle of the city life, looking for peace and solitude. He had heard about the natural beauty of the village and decided to spend a few weeks there to unwind. One day, as he was strolling around the village, he stopped at Aarti's tea stall to take a break and enjoy a cup of chai. Aarti, as usual, was busy serving tea to a group of farmers. When she handed him the steaming cup of tea, their eyes met for the first time. Raghav noticed her delicate features and warm smile. There was something about her presence that made him feel at ease, like he had known her forever. Aarti too felt a flutter in her heart. She had seen many strangers pass by, but there was something different about this one. Over the next few days, Raghav visited Aarti's tea stall regularly. He would sit for hours sipping tea and reading books and watching the world go by. Slowly, a silent bond began to form between them. They spoke about everything: life in the village, Raghav's city experience, and Aarti's dream of traveling the world. Although their conversations were simple, there was certain warmth in the air whenever they spoke. It wasn't long before Raghav began to feel deeper for Aarti. One evening, as the sun was setting behind the hills, Raghav found the courage to speak his heart. He walked up to Aarti after finishing his tea and said, "Aarti, I have been coming here for days, and every time I see you, I feel like something special about you. You've brought peace to my restless heart. I think I have fallen for you." Aarti blushed, her heart racing. She had always admired Raghav's kind nature, but she had never imagined that might feel the same way about her. "Raghav, she stammered, unsure of how to respond. "I've never met anyone like you before. You make me feel like there's more to life than what I've known here in the village." Raghav took her hands gently in his. "Aarti, I have spent so much time in the city chasing after success, but I have realized that true happiness lies in simplicity. And I see that simplicity in you. I want to be with you, to share the simple life, to build something beautiful together." Aarti looked into his eyes and saw the sincerity there. She had always believed that love was something for the books, something that happened only in movies. But here it was, right in front of her, pure and real. She smiled softly. "I want that too, Raghav. But I don't know if I can leave my family behind. My life is here with them." Raghav nodded, understanding her concerns. "I would never ask you to leave them, Aarti. But maybe we can find a way to bring our two worlds together." In the days that followed, Raghav and Aarti continued to meet each other at the tea stall, talking more about their dreams and future. Raghav, who had once thought of moving back to Delhi, began to see the village through Aarti's eyes. How peaceful and beautiful it was. He realized that his heart belonged there, with Aarti. One morning, after much thought, Raghav went to Aarti's house to speak with her parents. With great respect, he asked for their permission to marry their daughter. "I have come to love your daughter, and I would be honored if you would bless our union." he said, sincerity in his voice. Aarti's parents, though initially surprised by his proposal, saw the genuine love in Raghav's eyes. They agreed, seeing how much he respected their daughter and their simple way of life. The wedding took place in the village temple, with the whole village coming together to celebrate. The sweet fragrance of marigolds filled the air, and the sounds of dholak echoed through the streets. Aarti wore a traditional red sari and Raghav was simply dressed in a kurta. They exchanged vows in front of the fire, promising to love and care for each other for the rest of their lives. As they walked hand in hand after the ceremony, Aarti leaned her hand on Raghav's shoulder and smiled. "I never thought I would find love like this," she whispered. Raghav kissed her forehead gently. "Love isn't about grand gestures, Aarti. It is about finding peace in the simple moments, in being together. And that's what I have found with you." Years passed. Aarti and Raghav built a life together in the village. Raghav, once a stranger from the city, had found his true home with Aarti. And Aarti, with Raghav by her side, saw the world in the new light. Not through the eyes of a traveler, but through the eyes of a woman who had found the most precious treasures of all: love. Friends, love is not about grand gestures or perfect circumstances. It is about finding beauty in simplicity, understanding, and the willingness to build a life together. We hope you have equally big, grand love stories like this. Do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.